Commission mar obila dhi mbele gi dayo dho obila mosetiyo kuom kinde ma igeno ni Medo lemo e kidienje mopogore opogore bang' yudo tiegruok mowinjore gi lemogo ka chenro no igeno ni biro rumo juma manyien. Commission no bende oyango ni gigeto chako chenro mar ndiko obila manyien e tich kokalo yor mbui. Jata tije mar Commission mar obila Peter Lelei olero ni okang' makama biro konyo e kedo gi mibadhi mathoro kwako sekta mar obila ahinya te kinde mag ndiko ji e tich.
Lele, I'm the CEO for National Police Service Commission.
We called you today here as Call 246 and the responsibility of their responsibility and how they are. And we are confirming through these interviews that a lot of work has gone into the programs of equipping our police officers to perform better. And going forward, we will be adopting more technological and progressive methods, including going forward adopting what we call digitalized recruitment that will be able to shorten the time of the process and reduce costs and corruption implications that come with this process that has been going on throughout these years.
We will only be dealing with the people who have been shortlisted, so that we don't have so many people running. At the end of time, they are told you are not. So the only people who have been shortlisted will be able to run on the ground, and we have removed dark areas like medical examination. We have removed them to other areas. So it is a good program.